Yes, people, here we are in England, United Kingdom, aka Slave Master Headquarters, and the time is 21 minutes after 8 p.m. and the date is Thursday, the 10th of June 2021. Yes, and we're there and we even walk in full circle. And here we can book up a tin. Yeah, man. What kind of tin is this now? Yeah, man. What that I say? Magnus. One of them tin there. Yeah, man. So we have a nice big stone there. A giant used to sit down upon. Pixie them have it now as them bench. And them overview. Right in the footpatch. See it? That's where we're walking from the footpatch. Come right. That's one stone right there so you can sit right there and rest your ass. And see we have a nice brick wall right here, so. A stone wall, a nice stone wall. Yeah. So a man put this down. This wasn't there. Yeah, nature not do that. A man do that. See? Nice stone wall. Oh, see? Yeah, man. Both sides. And you come through this hollow. This walkway. So this probably been around since King. Which one of the king them? One of the King
Harold.
King James. One who write the Bible. Man and friend them. Yeah, man. So this was around since King James time. Trust me. No joke. Yeah, man, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, because this was the road man used mule and horse and donkeys and mule to whatever, you know. Yeah, man. See? Long time. Look at the size of this tree that will grow in whatever. So when you look around and look, coming out of the woods, this is man-made, you understand? And see we're going up on higher ground. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, this is where it was so okay. See, this is where the woman was coming from. So see all them. You never know, you never know, you never know. So this was where we was planning to walk in the first place. Okay, so them have an RIP mark in the sun. So I don't know. See? Right in the woods there. So I don't know who lose them life down there. Down in that little sinker. Yeah, man. We're up on higher ground now. Yeah.
The view from here was
Yeah, it look different. You see up now, so you're nearer to the sky, innit? See, we couldn't see the sky before. Because we was down in the valley. Yeah, I'm asking. I'm gonna get in contact with the Queen's favourite son. The one who owns all of the lands them in England. So we can get piece of the land near to the canal where we can build my little camp. And build my own barge. Yeah.
when I used to come up here, none of it was this was just grass. And a bit of this brush stuff. Nothing like this.
Yeah, it's down in that valley there. See? Down in the valley, you see it?
Yeah.
She's insane. All sort up there. Magic mushroom and this and that. Fairies and pixies and fairies. We was down on that side. Over on that side we was. Careful.
Gonna end up going back down.
Mm. Yeah.
Traffic's not there. Top.
Let me catch right this and get the sun there. We need the sun.
Whereas now looking at Darwin,
Evening sun there. Still not the sky. Yeah man. 23 minutes to 9 p.m. Yeah man, I was up on we full circle evening walk, you know. Yeah man, and we was down in that valley earlier on looking down. So I happen me staring at the evening sun. Now I'm almost blind back. I have to wait till my eye very keen.
right.
mm. Yeah man.
Not too warm.
Mm.
Not great.
Trust me. Feather. Yeah man. Alright. When the train reach right, they say it have to blow. Yeah man. Nice little walk, you know. Yeah. That's what people want. Lock down the people in the house for a year. I tell them so they can't go out the door. People go to the woods, man, go walk through the woods and get in touch with nature. You know? Show them people out of order. Other people walk through. You still clean up your dog shit, be. Because the footpaths is for everybody I use. You get what I say to you? Yeah, man, and if you don't have a bag for clean up your dog shit, man, just take up your dog shit and put it in your pocket. Put your dog shit in your pocket, man. Don't leave it unattended to. No joke, people. Yeah, man.
Some land's moved from there because you see,
Yeah.
it looks like a railway bridge.
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah.
All
It was.
the
It was. All them. Yeah.
So, somehow, never seen it before. As you can see, the land's like, it's been opened up. As you couldn't see that years ago.
See a arch there? You don't see it? It's an arch. It was. It full up.
Some sort of bridge.
It was.
Obviously, the one this way. Bizarre. Unless they've been mining somewhere for this stone. Used to get this down here. Back in the day.
So that's where we was. We're just coming from off of this bit going where you see dead on straight. Yeah. Where you see we're just coming back down where we get the sunshine from up there. You see sun, you can see the ray of the sun through. And down this passageway, you know, we shift the camera to this end where you see this stone wall. We're just walking through that passageway. We walk through that passageway where you see them stone wall. Yeah, man. So we have stone wall on the both sides. And we spin around the camera, and it take us right there, innit? And we come down that step there, we go back up on the road, and then we come right back around, spin it right round. Yeah, man, down in the gully. Yeah, man. Yes, people, no joke. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we want to big up Investigation Celebrity on a video. Yeah, man, I want to big up Mother B on a video. I want to big up Black Crow on a video. I want to big up Kwame Brown on a video. Yeah, man. I want to big up all of the people who take the time out, you know, to watch our YouTube channel. I want to thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your understanding, you know. Thank you for your love. And thank you for your respect. Yeah, man. And thanks for subscribe to our channel. Yeah. At your own risk. Yeah, man. So one look a light right down the side, you know. Yeah. You have to look at the camera if you see it come up. See this? Yeah. I wonder if a reflection half of the sun, but if I the reflection half of the sun, how comes it just sketch into this or so? You see that? Yeah, and the wells now have it round, you understand? Yeah, but as I said, you can't mess with Mother Nature. You can't mess with Mother Nature. See that? Right in the people on my site. Please clean it up. Yeah, man. I left your dog shit up on both sides. See it as too. Yeah, man. Come on. So I'm ambulance out on the main road there. Just pass. Yeah, over upon the side there, right there, and go over and climb up and I overlook. Yeah. So I'm Maggie there on the road. Yeah. Hey, Maggie. Off you go. Say hello to Black Crow. Yeah, man, nice to walk. Not even know, say. Other places like over upon them side there. Hear them birds there. Yeah. We understand. Yeah, man, we understand. Yeah, wave me. I said hello. No, what these guys could have really? Oh, I'm probably dig it up and fix it. Must be. Wow. Nice to go out, man. I get some fix it dust. Sprinkler. Hey, wow. Whoa. He run off, gone tell him mother say, hey mother, I have just seen a lad. Okay, the fence. Right, right. So mother cow there shot rain it down. Calf are pretty man. All young on them man. So them pretty. I look a bull too, you know, you see? Hmm. 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 Nice calf them man. Yeah. So this is where you've been walking from all the time. And see I have one black and white one over there, sir. Mother cow, you see the milk? The milk sack and breast. Yeah man. Nice, three nice young calf them man. You see while them up here so I play together as kids. Them parents down there so I sort out themselves. Yeah man, trust me. So we come up the right time. Mother, see it rain. Wow. Wow. Have you seen this sun? Flexing like a sun. Not behaving like no daughter this evening. Yeah, sun being quite good. Mm. Mm. So this is boys' home, innit? This is a boys' home. Mm. Yeah, man. Yes, people, we're there for we evening walk and we evening walk in full circle. Yeah, man. All that, one post officer one bit.
A bit. There's a container.
Yeah, the blue container there. Evergreen and never blow. Ever and never. Yeah, man. And container there. And see, you have one bin there. And it look like it's full too. Yeah. So, you know, we point out these things when we evening walk, you know. Yeah. Point out all of this stuff I tell people. Cow they are shower it down with the rain. Please clean up after your dog. Mm. Ash, but you go sit down. That's it. All of your body there. Yeah, man. Wow, see it? Birds of a feather. Them flock together. Birds of a feather, them flock together. Them got a picture of that tree there. The whole of them the right I saw a while ago. Me where I come, them just fly up. Mm. Mm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. 10 mile, 10 mile, 10 mile zone. We are going right there, so. And we are coming straight through. Mm. So we are walking just so. No unauthorized, no unauthorized, unsupervised person beyond this point. Mm. Mm. Yes, people. Much love, man. Much love, much love, much love. Yeah, man. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your patience. And thank you for your understanding. Yeah, man. We'll jump off our video right there. So much love, people. Yeah.